Okay, I'm going to install Globecaster Panimation. Double click on that. It's going to ask if I want to allow the app to make changes. Say yes. And it will come up with the installer. I say yes. Type in Bob Ross, famous artist on PBS. It installs to its own directory in the C. That's just the way it's always been. You could put it in program files or some other place if you want. Finish. Okay, it's installed. Now we're going to open it. So I'm going to find it under the Start menu, Globecaster. You're going to see several different iterations or shortcuts depending on what resolution you might want to have the window open in, or if you prefer it be full screen, you can just choose this. Okay, user account control. This is going to come up every time that you try to launch the app because one of our DLLs lives within the System32 folder. And I don't know much more about it than that. I'm not afraid to set this to never notify. But anyway, I understand some people will be. We're working on that. Until then, that is a workaround. So here is the user interface, full screen. I'm going to close this now, and we're going to open it into a window. Here is the same 1080 resolution in a window, and I'll show you the one that I'll probably most often use for training and demo purposes will be in the 1024. That's 1280 by 1024 window. Okay, and that's because I want to be able to open NDI monitor and see things happening in here. That those sound effects. Anyway, we'll get into playing around with it later. So that's it. That's how you install it. Only other thing I would say, I guess, is if you have multiple monitors and you want to open the app on a specific monitor, you can go to the Globecaster directory where it installed and find the applications folder, and you're going to see monitor 1, monitor 2. If you have more than that, it might say monitor 3, 4, whatever. And then the shortcut is in there. So, not sure why it's not generating the icon, but it's beta software, so, it works. We'll get that figured out. Anyway, thanks, and we'll see you later.